All right, let me see if I can do this one-handed. Okay, got that out. Oh, this shit's definitely stuck in here. Yeah, I need 2 hands for this bad boy. All right, so this was really stuck. So what I did, I put some pressure through here and I popped it out. And just look inside of that, man. That is, that's crazy. I'm gonna actually try to collect the gas that's in here, see what it looks like. All right. So I thought this was a fuel pressure regulator, so it looks a lot like one, but as you see, it doesn't have the little vacuum nipple here, and it's because this is actually a fuel dampener. Supposedly dampens the fuel here. Haven't seen much of these, but yeah, this one brings one. So cleaned it up, we're gonna put it back, and then as soon as the rebuild kit comes in for this, we're rebuilding it and putting it all back together to rebuild. So last time we just cleaned the rail, whatever. I ended up getting a rebuild kit from here, from this shop, the Injector shop, something like that. It was 20 bucks. Comes with the little filters, the little spacers that go on the bottom, the O-rings. There's a huge difference. I mean, hopefully it'll focus. There you go, look. See the little mesh? How it's completely see-through. Now let me show you, comparing it to one of these that we took out. Oh, shit. I don't even know if it'll focus on that. There you go. It was all cracked, old. So yes, this would help it out a lot. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by cleaning the inside here with a little wire brush that I have. Getting it all clean. And after that, I bought this little fitting from a local shop here, Truststone, to convert it to 6AN, because I made my own injector flush. Yeah, I don't know what you want, a flush kit, whatever you want to call this. Basically, you put air pressure through here with a hose, simulate like the fuel pump, like 50 psi of air pressure. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill it with you can fill it with whatever cleaner you want, from here, from the bottom, and then just connect it directly to the rail like this. And then what that's gonna do is it's gonna push all that cleaner out into the rail and then through the injectors once we pulse it. All right, so we got them all taken apart. There's what they look like. You can still see that the inside is fairly dirty, so we're gonna get that cleaned up, and we're gonna flush them out. So now that we cleaned the injector in here and we flushed it out, we're gonna start building it back up. This is the first piece. It's like a little washer type of deal here. Super hard to put in, so I just use this little press that I got. Try to center the injector, and then just slowly, so it goes in. That's done. All right, this last part, once we press this little spacer thing in there, we're gonna put the rubber O-ring that goes in there, and then there's gonna be this cap that's gonna go here, and then there's also gonna be this filter now that we're gonna put back in here. So what I like to do now is just take this time that both things need to be pressed, and watch, it should press it at the same time. There you go, and the bottom. I like to do a 180 just so I can hit it from both sides, and that's it. The injector is built. You have your filter in there, pressed flat, so you got to make sure that it's pressed flat. Also that this little cup is seated and that your little O-ring moves freely, which it does, and that the cup, see, the cup won't come off. That's it. The injector is ready to be put back in the car.